here's where we're at so far. I did some more off screen. You probably just saw some fast forwarding through a bunch of pen work. This is markers only at this point. I am going to make that into some scar damage. The markers kind of funked up the red a little. I'm not real happy with it, but I can dull it. I got another kind of marker paint. It's kind of wash offable, but they're my daughter's marker paints. It'll work. I don't know. That's on there now, so gotta do this side yet, which I'll probably do off screen, and then we'll come back next time with the rest of the parts on, but you get the idea. I even these are prototype stickers. The black's not working. We're gonna use number 23, but you get the gist. I think it's looking pretty cool. I'm still waiting for 2 more figures to finish it, but we got some more work to do. We're gonna make stuff move, and then there's one more thing I gotta figure out, and that'll be part of another build. So anyways, that's all for this one. We'll probably do one more with finish up and all the other stuff, getting everything buttoned up, and making stuff move. That'll be kind of bits and pieces and cutting back and forth. It'll be a lot less actual pen movement and all that. So I did lose one handle, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. I'll probably just make it look like it got ripped off, like show some scar damage or something like that. Anyways, I think it looks pretty cool. I hope you guys dig, because I do. Like and subscribe and all that, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.